Welcome to the spoken tutorial on nutritious vegetarian recipes for kids' parties. In this tutorial, we will learn about importance of good nutrition, preparation of some healthy recipes. Good nutrition during childhood is very important. This is a phase of rapid growth and development. Both physical and mental development takes place during this period. It is necessary to encourage children to eat healthy food. Healthy food should be eaten during regular days, celebrations and parties too. For example, during birthdays, picnics, get-togethers, etc. During such celebrations, children often eat junk food. They may get addicted to it and ask for the same on a regular basis. Hence, it is best to avoid junk foods in parties also. Harmful effects of junk food are explained in detail in another tutorial. Please visit our website for more details. Food during a celebration or at a party does not have to be unhealthy. With a little effort and planning, healthy food can be served. The presentation of the food is important as well. Children are more likely to eat it if it looks good. Thus, food should be colorful and appealing to them. There are a lot of healthy recipes that are delicious and also easy to make. Let's look at some of these recipes. Every kid's party needs a cake. So our first recipe is finger millet cupcake. To make this recipe, we will need 30 grams or 2 tablespoons finger millet flour, 50 milliliters of milk, 2 tablespoons melted salted butter, 1 tablespoon cocoa powder, paste of 5 grounded or pounded seedless dates. We will also need 5 chopped almonds, 5 chopped cashews, half teaspoon baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon baking soda. Procedure: take a bowl and place a sieve on it. Add finger millet flour, cocoa powder, baking powder and baking soda. Sieve everything together. To this add melted butter and mix well. Now add milk gradually and make a smooth batter. Add the paste of dates and mix again. Grease the cupcake molds with some oil. Pour the prepared batter into the molds. Add chopped nuts on top of the batter. Add half cup of salt to the pressure cooker. Place a stand inside the cooker. Make sure not to add water in the cooker. Preheat the pressure cooker for 10 minutes without a whistle and gasket. After 10 minutes, place the mold on the stand. Close the lid and cook this for 25 minutes on a low flame. Check if they are cooked by inserting a toothpick. If the toothpick comes out clean, remove them from heat and let them cool. If it does not come out clean, cook for another 10 minutes. Once cooled, remove them from the mold and serve. The next recipe is baked sweet potato strips. To make this recipe, you need 1 medium-sized sweet potato, 2 teaspoons oil, half teaspoon red chili flakes, half teaspoon chaat masala, salt to taste. You can even add oregano to it. Procedure: wash and peel the sweet potatoes. Cut them into vertical sticks. In a bowl, take oil and other spices. Put the sweet potato sticks into this bowl. Now, coat the spices on each stick evenly. Place a sheet of butter paper on the baking tray. Put the sweet potato sticks on it with the distance of ½ inch from each other. Preheat the oven to 200 degrees. Bake them for 15 minutes. Flip the sides and bake again for 15 minutes. Baked sweet potato strips are ready. Our next recipe is curd and pomegranate lollipop. To make this, we will need 100 grams or 1 small cup curd, ½ small cup pomegranate seeds. Procedure: in a bowl, add the curd and whisk it until smooth. To this, add the pomegranate seeds and mix well. Pour this mixture into popsicle molds and freeze it for 4 to 6 hours. If you do not have a mold, you can pour it in a glass. Place an ice cream stick or spoon and freeze it for 4 hours. Remove it from the freezer. Dip the mold in warm water and demold. Curd and pomegranate lollipops are ready. Our last recipe is roasted Bengal Gram powder buttermilk. To make this, we will need 2 tablespoons roasted Bengal Gram, 2 tablespoons curd, salt to taste, a few washed and chopped mint leaves, a pinch of cumin powder. Procedure: grind the roasted Bengal Gram into powder. In a bowl or glass, whisk the curd until smooth. Add 1½ tablespoons of roasted Bengal Gram powder to this. Mix well without any lumps. To this, add 1 glass of water and mix again. Add a pinch of salt and cumin powder and mix again. Transfer this to a serving glass and garnish with mint leaves. Roasted Bengal Gram powder buttermilk is ready. All these recipes are rich in protein, good fats, calcium, folate and magnesium. They are also rich in iron, potassium and phosphorus. This brings us to the end of the tutorial. Thank you for joining.